This is Nanwang Phase AI Intelligent Factory, which has been fully put into operation in 2020. It is the core production area for technological innovation and capacity expansion, with an annual output of more than 2.247 billion paper packaging products and an output value of more than $70 million. Since its establishment in 2010, Nanwang now has nearly 2,000 employees, total assets exceeding $286 million, and has been consecutively ranked among the top 100 of Chinese packaging and printing companies for 6 years. The new environmentally friendly workshop covers an area of nearly 18,000 square meters, with a fully optimized layout to realize lean production. AGV Plus 5th generation technology, in conjunction with Meizu and other systems, achieves interconnectivity, realizing a production process that is less reliant on human labor, automated, and digitalized. The logistics management is also intelligentized, which not only improves production efficiency but also reduces labor costs and safety risks. The visual inspection and rejection system utilizes industrial cameras, intelligent image processing technology, and high-precision algorithms to conduct comprehensive inspections of product appearance. Defective products are automatically rejected and diverted, reducing manual intervention and enhancing inspection efficiency. The WMS Intelligent Three-Dimensional Warehouse, through the construction of a multi-layer shelf system, maximizes the saving of floor space and increases storage density. In combination with automated storage and retrieval equipment, it quickly and accurately completes the storage and retrieval of goods, achieving efficient storage and improving overall operational efficiency. Nanwang innovation-driven, smart manufacturing for the future.